Today's video is going to be on the Python keyboard. The purpose of this is to track down the user's input. In short, you're pretty much spying on what they're doing. So I'm going to create a new file. Call this file record keyboard and Python file. Open up my editor. So to begin, let us begin the library. Py input, import from the keyboard. Word, this word here is my global variable. This is where I capture every character into one string. So let me define the function. So on press, I want to take in a key, then global because I'm going to use that word. Then if key is equal to keyboard dot key escape, then go ahead and print out the word that we've concatenated. Then we're going to return. So if it's not the keyboard escape button, then let's try this. Let's try the key press is a char. A char would be letters or alphabet. That's what a char would be. Then we want to take that word and we're going to concatenate it with the key press. Okay. Except if the key.name is equal to space, that's going to be the space bar, then we want to take our word and concatenate a space with it. If the key name is backspace, then we want to take our word and assign it to ourselves starting from the beginning to -1, which would be the backspace. Then we have if key.name is enter, then we want to take our word, concatenate that, and add a return and a new line. And that's it for the function. Now let's create a listener keyboard listener on press. We want to call our on press function. Okay, and let's start the listener. Dot start. Listener. Okay. Now let's just give it a try. I'm going to save the file. Now I'm going to run file. So first off, I'm going to click on the search button and then type in Windows X. Oops, I have no space there, so let me go back into space. Explorer. Okay. Then let me open up Chrome and then type in msn.com. And then I want to type in mountain bikes. Okay, that's all good. Then I'm going to go back, and in my editor, I am going to type in hello world. Okay, so now we have everything. I'm going to close the program by clicking on the escape button. There's escape, and that's what we have. When I clicked on the Windows search bar, I had okay, so when I click on the Windows search button, I type in Windows Explorer with a no space, and I fix the space. I open up Chrome, type in msn.com, then I type in mountain bike in the search. Then I hit enter. Then I went back to this editor and type in hello world, and then hit it with the escape button. And that's what we have. Cool? Cool. All right, so the next video, I would take this input and save it to a text file or maybe a database, and we'll see where we go from there. All right, thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.